how lucrative is farming? Let's talk a little bit about money now.
Yeah, farming can be very lucrative if your quality meets the standards. For you, of course, to...
Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Like Tayo. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Yes, so welcome to my table. You made it to my table. It's long you made it to my table, but I always, this is our handsome brother. It's time for us, the reactor, see they talk about him. Yes, so yeah. Because he not get drama like Yambo Hanzi. He not to get drama, but he's doing well on his own area, on his own side. Yes, bro, Tayo be Tayo. Yeah, Tayo. I don't say Tayo. If not, yes, I say Tayo, na Tayo. Yes, so his name now Tayoana. Now be China name. Okay? Anytime here, now yes, I say Tayo, na Tayo. Okay? I bring and call my table. He traveled to Kenya. This our brother traveled to Kenya, all the way from Nigeria to Kenya. Hey, Kenya, now get drown my lord too. Hey, why this my shirt be like 70 screws? I be iron now before I. Hey, probably not so much. Yeah, so let's go there. When I ignore what you they say. This our brother Tayo. He traveled all the way from Nigeria to Kenya. Then he met this our brother, 22 years old Nigerian Kenyan guy, who is a farmer, a big farmer from Botswana. He traveled to Kenya. Then he meets this girl from Botswana. Now 22 years old guy, but he get the biggest, one of the biggest farm. A 22 years old guy who dropped out. Who not be say he dropped out, not go school. He think anybody when finish secondary school, you go school now. Now who did there? Now who they calavante? You go school now. You go school. You finish secondary school, you go school. For me, you go school. Okay. If you not can go the high school, at least you can read, you can write, you can express yourself with writing. He goes school, but he not further. I put it like that. 22 years old guy is a millionaire in Kenya. Hey. Know your way, no because so. Know your way, no be sickness. Know your way, no be sickness. Know your way, no be sickness. So. Do you know your way? Yes. Do you really know your way? Let's ask ourselves. If you know your way, let me see your hands raised up. This guy, according to the story, after he finished his secondary school, he called his parents. He said, "No, daddy and mommy. Now I want to go into farming. I don't want further my school. Now I want to go into farming." Then this guy say government, Kenyan government block border. The reason why I want to talk about this video now about my youth, my Nigeria people who they cry, Nigeria don't close border, Nigeria don't close border, Nigeria don't close border. That is the reason why I want to talk this particular video. I don't feel female, but doing to mommy of 2 children, no concentrate, nothing. I can't delete her. I can't say me I refilm her today so again. He said when he called his parents, say, "Mommy and daddy, I want to go into farming." Then his parents support him. Then after now, he here say government, Kenyan government, he stop people. He closed border between Kenya and South Africa. South Africa, now they supply them vegetable. All those salad, vegetable, those things. Now Kenya and South Africa, they supply them. Then when he say government don't close the border between Kenya and South Africa, make them know they import goods to their country. If their children want hungry, make them hungry, make them go into farm, make them start to produce their own things. There, the thing knock his head, come. Now he starts to plant vegetable. Just because this our brother, this guy, this our 22 years old, he here say Kenya leader, Kenya president block border. They cause Kenya, but today they benefit from it. Today now, he get the biggest farm from Botswana. He's doing well. But my own people, my country people, we are there causing our government. He could block border. I make things because they are trying different mix, different way to see if it through this place things go come. If it through this place things go change. We the citizen, we don't want get that in soft way. Maybe we not to forget China we want to collect Africa, we want to do another second slave. Yes, me they call them because me I know they look they like say they mean well to Africa. They give money. When you not come free pay, at least what you get, I think you'll use and pay. Or you put on now the cut, kill and divide. Like when Europe till today now, Europe they collect from Africa. because of now they come rescue us. Now they come rescue us. Those bad animal give us mirror. Now mirror they give some of our country people. May I not go there. Now they take bring their people out to America. Just mirror. No, that mirror we see they pay put it today. You can still hold locks. Now China. It don't they give Africa money. Now say na low, na the low, they low now. Me una not see to forget say when time reach 20 years time, 100 years time. When it reach, when China go say na not fit pay. Say na this amount that they collect from una natural resources. No, na not still cry. Say China they rule una oh. Because those are our government. I know they say na want to collect. Say me I leave that part. No be that part that they talk. Before China become China, China block their border. They not dare you bring another thing from another country enter their country. They will buy you. As a government, you know, you thief. You take anything, they will buy that person. They put strong law before China become China. Anything when they do, anything when they produce, not China. And they not catch you, say, you a government thing, you want to turn. Now China test time. If not, China for still be hungry. May we not see to forget, say, the whole world give China free market. The whole world. China can import, go everywhere. Now, free cents. Now, America stop her. Say they need to pay tax. May we not forget those things. Africa will not get all those opportunities. We are still strong. Then our government go still try put small law. Nobody say then they accept the government, they accept, say the law they work for them. We the citizens, let's help ourselves. Those government, they can't do it alone. If a 22-year-old guy can make use of what his government signed for a country, and quickly, I'm sorry, I will play that voice also. Quickly make use of it. Today, he is the one of the biggest farmer in Kenya, in Botswana. What are we talking about? If we Africa want make it, not the only government, we the citizen, we go apply our own. We will give our own time. This guy not go school again, not for that education. He go into farm. He dey farm, what they call him? He dey farm pig. He dey plant vegetable. He dey do a lot, cow. A lot. This guy they do. But many of us, we are there, banching on our government. Government, you know, they do away. Government, you know, they do away. When my own country, Nigeria people, when Buhari block Cotonou border, Benin border, between Benin and Nigeria border, he look and say, many of us now import, now with the import. Only toothpick, they import them. Salt. Not because those two we not get them. But how to rice with the importer? They block border with the cry. Why can't some of our youth make use of this opportunity? That is why I not bring this video for hate. I beg. Make use of the opportunity. Look around. Wait till you know say not there your country. Try start that thing. You go see how well. You go see how far. And this our brother Tayo. He traveled Tayo Abitawo. Tayo. He traveled all the way from Nigeria. And I see they do traveling. Is it they do travel like Amawa? They do. He never tell us, maybe we donate for him. I don't know if they watch his video, but I don't be the type when they drop a comment. He's doing well. Bringing a 22-year-old boy from Botswana. Kenya, where our brother be, Amawa never see this guy to showcase. Tell us, say, if you did there, Kenya, may una they trade with them, or may una they make market with them. Now, like that to support ourselves. This guy talk a lot. He say sometimes they are vegetable, they roti because no buyer, nobody to buy them. Maybe the company they supply, the one where they supply, they give them, they never sell and finish. Now those countries before, now then, another country they, supply. But now, another country when they supply them, they know who can see who buy their own now. What it be that one will be one thing, no, they help that country. But if that government, those government, they just quiet, then South Africa, they import, they come. South Africa, they build their economy. South Africa, they use and they build their economy. But when their government stop her, this 22-year-old guy, he quickly make use of it. Today, Uko is one of the biggest farmer in Kenya. In fact, they say one of the big farmer in Botswana. Let's watch the video together before I call it a day.
How old are you, by the way?
I'm 22 at the moment.
You're 22? You're 22?
Yes.
Are you serious?
I finished school in 2018. University was definitely not planned.
Oh, so you didn't go to uni?
I didn't go to uni, no.
Oh, wow.
So, moment that finished, sat down with my parents. I'm like, let me just enter the family businesses.
Okay.
And they were like, okay, we'll give you a chance. And they said, okay, find something to do. And then, luckily, Botswana just got the vegetable ban.
Botswana and Namibia banned the import of several types of South African fruits and vegetables.
Oh, wow.
So the moment it ended, I decided to go into farming. And then I just decided that, yeah, this is going to be my home now.
What's the size of this land that we're currently on?
Currently, we're on 10 hectares right now.
10 hectares?
Yes, 10 hectares.
Not acres, hectares.
Hectares, yes.
How did you get started getting the land?
Well, for me, very fortunate. I have very loving parents. They really saw the vision. They told me put it on paper. I put it on paper, gave them a proposal, and they were happy with it.
Can you just give us the process of starting the farm?
I think first and foremost, you need to decide what you like. Okay. There's crops, there's animals. So I think first thing first, you should decide what you're willing to fight for. So whether it will be in the vegetables or in the animals, you have to go in and understand the market. So basically, you have to do your research. So what I did was I went to supermarket. I asked them what they're missing. So I also created relationships with the people in the supermarket.
Okay.
So even prior to me starting the farm, I used to call them all the time just to inquire. They're really friendly people, by the way. So you just go, you inquire, and they will literally tell you everything they need to know, because at the end of the day, they're also in need of vegetables.
Can you explain what this is and what happens here?
This is a net shade. It's on half a hectare. It's 100 meters by 50 meters.
Is this lettuce or what's this?
This right here.
Oh, wow. This is nice.
So this is just the beginning stages of the spinach.
Okay.
Here they are about 4 to 6 weeks old.
I like the fact that you are patient.
No, I really am. If I'm being very honest with you, farming is not to just get in and make quick cash. You have to have like a 15 to maybe 25-year plan, because when you look at farming, you're looking at providing food for a nation, and that's a big task. It's just something you would really have to, sit down and plan out.
Have you ever been in a situation where you have crops and there's no demand?
Yeah, all the time. There's something we have called crop rotation. And when you're doing the vegetables, especially fresh vegetables, very perishable vegetables, you're always encouraged to crop rotate, because what's in demand now will not be in demand in the next 3 months.
Oh.
And also seasons keep on changing also. So once the season changes, you need to change the crop also.
So what are some of the problems you faced?
Definitely being in a hot country, number one is water. Water has been a big, big problem.
So sometimes you run out of water in your...
No, it's not that I don't have it. I don't have enough. I mean that in the sense of, if I needed to expand, I need to drill another borehole.
Oh, really? And that's more money,
That's more money, more investment, yeah.
Big, ooh, this is a big one. Wow. How old are these ones?
She is about 2 years old.
2 years?
He is about a year old.
How much do you think this pig is worth?
I'd say between maybe 4.5, 5,000. But take into account in terms of breeds, mine aren't pedigree. There are some purebred breeds that you can get, definitely. But this is just a normal big white.
Oh, okay, you have more pigs.
At the moment, I have about 31.
Ooh, this one just gave birth.
Come see.
They look so cute. Oh, sorry. So did you start everything at once, or you started with farming, then you moved into animals?
What I did basically was, with my pigs, I only started with 4. 3 males and a female. From there, I have 31. Also, all my cows and my chickens, I started at one point, I had 20. Then I bought an incubator, started doing my own eggs.
Are there some of the ways government helps you?
Yeah, no, they definitely help. They set up a thing where you can hire tractors. All you need to do is pay for the fuel.
Oh.
And they'll come and they'll plow for you.
Oh, wow.
And then if I was a Botswana, they would actually do it all for free. They would give me the seed and the tractor to come plow my land.
What would you say to like a lot of young people and they want to get into farming?
Do your research first and foremost. After you do your research, find out what you're willing to slave for. Because farming is a lot of hard work, a lot of sleepless nights. That's it, yeah.
So how many times do you come to the farm? Is this something you just set up and you just left?
No,
or you're always here?
I come here every day.
Every single day?
Hope now hear from our brother all the way from Kenya, Botswana. I hope now hear from him. If you want, not be say, oh, this guy just talk about farm, let me go. No, do research. Know what you want to do. And you still here, say every day he they go there, go they check. No, because of say he don't be big farmer, may he relax for house. No, he always go check, because nobody go fit do one the way you, when you get and go do one. And if you employ people to work for you, if you are not there, they will not do it well. But if you are there, or they always know say you go check, they will do it well. Anything you are doing, make sure your presence, it matter a lot. That is why many of us, when they abroad, it they hard us to get all those kind of things. Yes, it they hard. And secondly, our government, I don't know about my Nigerian government, whether they get all those tractors to assist their youth before you they close border, before you they say, make they know they import food. make sure una don't put all those tractor, all those things. First of all, this guy talk about say that they rent, but if now whether na Kenya be one place for the country, say na free, they will take am. But from Botswana, they rent am. I believe if my Nigeria, my country, if we bring am come out, each local government, make that they get this tractor, then people feel the rent am. I believe say it go still, in fact, it go still help a lot of people. If na never get those things, my Nigeria, my government, please make una try look onto this, because we get am for money, we get am for kudi. Make una assist una youth before closing border. Make una assist una youth. And if you be my youth, maybe government get am for your area to hire tractor, or maybe na free, please make use of it. A 22-year-old guy, now he see say government just close border between South Africa and Kenya and Botswana, make them not import all those things come. Then he make use of the opportunity. Are you there folding your hand, looking for manna to fall? You dey wait to enter all those quick, that is quick money. They wait for quick money. No, if work not dey, please think again. Many way dey now when person dey, make am. This our brother, this our Tayo. Now our Nigeria brother, yes, we don't know her. Now our handsome brother, look really handsome. Now our hand, all those Kenyan boy, they say, hey, you see our handsome brother, go watch his channel. If you don't know him, I'll write the name so that maybe go watch his channel. Maybe go subscribe. Maybe see how people, when they know how to move, that they move. Tell your brother, tell Ayamawa, they watch all those kind of people so that we love him more. As we they talk about Ayamawa, some people will look and say, hey, we like him. That is why, because he collect this our skin. We don't want the grace. We don't want, if they travel, if he travel like so, you see this our brother now. Which girl now you go toast for America now? We say, oh, where look at again. Which girl? This our sorry, if you don't be married, no, never marry. I don't believe so. When this guy now go say he see America babe, may he run some. The America babe go for yakaka. Yes now, because cute. He look simple. He wear jeans. He wear top. We don't wear suit. Just simple dress. You see how it go. And I believe say many Kenyan girls now, many what say they call her, and Botswana girls. I know if they catch you, I better be careful. No, they don't catch you. They catch our brother with my those people, they eye they red though, they eye they chook. If you want to see this kind of our brother, they do a like color. I believe they go for your pata. My people, now this one I get to talk. If you never follow this our brother Tayo, what are you waiting for? Try follow him. They watch a video. They travel up, so they give a back-to-back content. Meanwhile, be Nigeria says some party there for that my country when he go showcase. I'll say, this place they exist. Maybe it's not you go say go my area now. You go showcase and some people say, this kind of party they exist for Nigeria. That's so it be. We don't know it all. We see YouTube, God will bless you. YouTube gonna make us they see different shape of the world. Now who did I beg if you never give this video thumbs up? What are you waiting for? Give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up. Yes, give me thumbs up. Help me to share if you like to share this video to encourage other youth when they feel say without government to work or without brother or sister or this say they don't make it, they can make it through their swords. They can still make it. Okay. Now this I get to. If you never subscribe, what are you waiting for? Okay, you never fall in love. Okay, no problem. Take your time. Fall in love with this my channel before subscribe, so that when you subscribe, you will come back. Yes. Show love, not hate. We are here for love. Okay, let's show ourselves. Drop your
Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt.